Hello, everyone, and welcome to Intellective Statistics. In this video, I'll show you how to run a mixed MANOVA. And once you have data plugged in, just go to the analyses and go to MANOVAs and mixed model MANOVA. Here, I'll go ahead and select, I'll select 3 DVs. I'll select 5 time points. And here, I'll look at pre, post, and follow up. And then I'll select the 5 time points for pre. And for post. And for follow up. Okay. Then for my between subjects, I'll look at both treatment and gender, and I'll create an interaction term for those as well. You can see it there. Hit confirm, then go ahead and hit calculate. Here in a mixed model MANOVA, we have assumptions. See normality, just scroll over, looks okay. And for homoscedasticity, looks okay as well. I think it looks more homo than heteroscedatic. Sphericity, you can see that assumption was met. Multivariate outlier analysis, and then the results of the MANOVA for the between subjects, for the within subjects, the interaction terms, and then our mixed model MANOVA results. When you've completed your analyses, you can go to download document, put into your own voice, and that's how you conduct a mixed model MANOVA using Intellectus.